100 men versus one gorilla. I wasn't going to give my thoughts on this, but hey, what the hell. Firstly, if you got 100 motivated men, easy work. There will be sacrifices, but easy work. If you got 100 men and those 100 men are aware that their loved ones are around that corner in a bulletproof room and there's some guns pointed at their partners, yeah, that gorilla is gonna get, However, if it's just random 100 men, there's no stakes to it, there's no consequences to not defeating this gorilla, and let's say, okay, you have to do it within let's say 24 hours, right? No consequences, you just know that, hey, you have to do this within 24 hours. If you survive 24 hours, you'll be given some money. I'm just going to put that stipulation there, right? Still, you can't use any weapons. Men are just going to run and try and survive. Especially after the first 10 or 20 men got. Out of that 20, a majority of them will just have severe injuries. After that first 20 or 10 get damaged, the rest of the men will simply try to run and hide, outrun the gorilla. And given gorillas are not carnivores, they will simply eventually over time just become docile and just sit in what they would classify as their territory, while the men try to hide and keep distance, and the gorilla would probably leave them alone. Every now and then probably get agitated and attack one, but enough would be there of the men that they'll be contented with just trying to survive. That's just my thoughts on it. So again, to recap, in conclusion, 100 men with stakes. If you don't do it, this is going to happen to your loved ones. Yeah, gorilla going to be got. However, if it's random 100 men, there's no consequences but a war to just simply survive 24 hours. It will be a stalemate with a few casualties on the men end. Yeah, what's your thoughts?